How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today is October 19th. It is SneakerCon Atlanta. I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm wearing the Nigel ones. Before we leave, I need to stop at the bank and get some cash. And then, look guys, if you're not wearing Axe body spray, I don't know what you're doing. So 2 quick sprays, let's go. Okay, we got the cash, and I'd like to take a moment and thank today's video sponsor, which is me. The video today, guys, is going to be a little bit different. I've got $500 with me, and basically I'm going to show you guys how much heat you could buy at SneakerCon with $500. I'm actually a little bit late, so let's go ahead, get over to the Cobb Galleria and see what kind of heat we can find. Just got to SneakerCon, parked on the top floor of the parking deck. It's absolutely slammed. I'm sure that means the line inside is gonna be nuts. Next time you see me, we will be inside. Guys, I made it into SneakerCon, and this is so much better than last year's Atlanta SneakerCon. It's a lot bigger than London too, honestly. There is so many people here. It is jam-packed, and the line outside is still super long. So this is gonna be a good event. Like I said, guys, we have $500 to spend today, and we are going to see what is the best heat that we can find for $500. And 100%, I'm spending it today. So let's go ahead and look around. These tables are huge. There's so many sneakers in here, it's great. Here's a shoe that I've struck out on getting for retail every single time I've tried. The Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Now these are right around 400, 450, maybe 500, just depending on the size. I'm looking for an 11.5 in these, and we'll see. This is another one that I've been wanting to add to my collection for quite some time. We'll see if I can find my size for the right price. All right, here is one of the shoes that I came here for. The Reverse Shatter Backboard 2.0s. This is a shoe that I've been wanting to get now since the summer. Right now, these are priced at $650, so it's out of my $500 budget. I'm gonna keep looking, see if I can find a better deal maybe, or negotiate with this guy towards the end of the day. But this is one of the shoes that I'm gonna try to cop, possibly. Here's a shoe that I already have. The 77 Blazer. To me, it's kind of a must-have in your collection, but I don't have this color right here, the yellow. And the yellow, I think, looks really, really nice. These come in at a price of $150. This falls within my $500 price range, so could be these. Now I'm looking for an Air Max 1 to put in that display case that I purchased at SneakerCon London. And this shoe would look pretty good in it, I think. This is one of my favorite Air Max 1s. It's an original. That's also on the list. Put that on the list. They're right around 200 bucks, so that would fit within my $500 parameter. To another table, and this is another Yeezy, actually, the Yeezy Glow in the Darks, and size 11 at this table is $550, kind of right in that ballpark of 500 bucks. So this is another potential on the list. So many Travis Scott 6s here, it's crazy, but I knew there'd be a lot. But I don't know if there's more Travis Scott 6s here or Travis Scott Reese's Puffs, because everybody brought about 100 boxes to sell here. This is my first time seeing this shoe in hand, and I've been wanting to see it because I've really been hating on it. The Shatter Backboard 3.0, honestly, I don't hate it in person, but I'm not buying it. I'm not buying this shoe, 100% not buying it, but in person it's really not that bad. Guys, I made my purchase. Spent $400 out of my $500 limit. I got a used pair of Jordan 1s, as you can tell. Now, I'm not going to show you the colorway till we get home. Before I actually finalize this, I'm going to take them through the legit check line, which I always recommend you do, no matter how legit the shoes look or how legit the seller may be. It's always a good idea to go ahead, hop in the legit check line, and just make sure the shoes are real before you spend this amount of money. I just got done with the legit check line. They checked out. They're legit, 100% authentic. Thank you, SneakerCon. It's such a great service that they do that, honestly, to make sure that what you're spending your money on is actually authentic. So I appreciate SneakerCon for always offering that great service. Alright, it is around 5 o'clock right now. SneakerCon is still popping. There is an insane line out the front, even 5 hours after it opened, which is unheard of. Usually the line pretty much dies down after the first 2 or 3 hours, but there is still a line of people trying to get in here, and it is jam-packed. The more people there are, the more shoes there are to buy and sell, and that's what this event is all about. And I'm having a really good time. I actually just made my second purchase. 2 shoes in the bag, guys. 500 bucks. I've got 2 shoes for 500 bucks. Now, because I bought 2 used pair of shoes today, I needed to re-up on some of my Reshoevn8r products. So I went ahead, got another set of shoe trees, and also got some of the sneaker laundry detergent, which I haven't had yet. As always, great customer service. I love their products. Thank you, Reshoevn8r. I'm getting ready to leave, and I've pretty much spent every dollar that I brought in here. I spent about $540 in total, and I got 2 pairs of shoes, and I also got some Reshoevn8r shoe cleaner. I'm definitely happy with what I got. Cannot wait to show you guys when I get home. What's up, guys? We have made it back to the apartment, and I'm ready to show you the shoes that I got. But first, I wanted to say, if you've made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you watching all the way through. It really means a lot. It helps me out. And if you like the video so far, Griffey's always got to get in. If you like the video so far, go ahead, smash that like button, and let me show you what I purchased today at SneakerCon. Now, the first shoe I'm going to show you, you might have seen the box in the bag when I held it up. It's a black and yellow box. That was a Kobe 8 box. And this is a Kobe 8 that I've wanted to have for quite some time, but I just didn't want to pay the StockX or GOAT price for a new pair. So I looked up, I found a used pair at SneakerCon, and I didn't really care about them being used. I just wanted them to be in pretty good condition because I do plan on wearing them. I might even play in them. But here they are, the Kobe 8 Christmas. Now, this was one of my favorite colorways of the Kobe 8. I just never had this one in particular. And for me, the Kobe 8 is one of my favorite models that Kobe has. For me, it's like 6, 7, and 8. Those are 3 of my favorites. And the 8 was really comfortable. They're very light. And the colorways were really cool when they came out. A lot of them were kind of crazy. But as you can see here on the bottom, they are worn. They are dirty. For whatever reason, the person selling them didn't feel like cleaning them before he took them to SneakerCon, but that's fine because I am an expert at cleaning shoes. So this week I'll be going through giving these a total cleanup just so you can see the process of how I clean my shoes and what the results are, because I like to use Reshoevn8r. This isn't a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form, but that is my favorite shoe cleaner, and I do want to support them because I think they make an excellent product. So I'll be showing you guys the before and after in an upcoming video. Now, the other purchase I made was a pair of Jordan 1s, as you saw earlier in the video. And this pair I've been wanting since around June. Finally, I pulled the trigger and purchased the reverse shattered backboard 2.0s. Now, this pair is also used, better condition than the Kobe's, as you can see here on the bottom. They're really not that worn, honestly. They're pretty good condition, probably give them a 9 out of 10. And I am so happy to have these. I went ahead and did the lace swap. I think at some point I will swap both laces to white. I usually like to do the alternating lace colors like in the Travis ones, but in these, I think the white looks better. I just like that cleaner aesthetic. The black contrast kind of too much for me, but I'm so happy to finally have these. If you've never seen these, the leather on these is amazing. It's maybe not as good as the original Shattered Backboards, but it's really good. So I'm very happy to add these into my collection. They will not be going anywhere anytime soon, and I'm gonna be wearing them. And speaking of wearing my shoes, if you'd like, follow me on Instagram. It's Plain Kicks ATL. I actually do wear majority of the shoes in my collection, so go ahead, give me a follow on Instagram. And the last piece of important information I have for you guys, videos will be posted every Monday from now on. Every Monday, 6 p.m. That is Eastern Standard Time. And that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button, and I will see you next Monday.